A very warm welcome to my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all in today's EVS class. So today we are going to continue the chapter, that is chapter number 6, clothes. And the topic for today is different types of clothes. Let us start our class with this question. Why do we need clothes? I'm sure you must have an answer for this question. Let us see, why do we need clothes? So the first reason is it covers our body and make us look smart. So as you can see in this picture, the clothes help us to cover our body and make us look smart. Second point can be it protects us from heat and cold. Next point, it also protects us from insect bites and small injuries. As you can see, if we wear a proper full sleeves clothes, it protects us from insect bites. Now let us understand the different types of clothes that we wear. First is casual clothes. Second one, formal clothes. And third, uniform. Let us understand each type of clothes one by one. First one is casual clothes. Casual clothes are the comfortable clothes we wear at home. So whatever clothes we wear at home which make us feel comfortable are known as casual clothes. So as you can see in this picture, here these kids are wearing their casual clothes. Second type is formal clothes. So formal clothes are the clothes we wear for a marriage or other parties. So whenever we go out for any party, we wear formal clothes. So as you can see in this picture, whenever we have to go for any party, we wear very smart clothes, and they are known as formal clothes. And the third type is uniform. So we wear uniform when we go to school. So whenever you come to school, you come in your uniforms, as you can see in this picture. Also, apart from school uniform, there are other people who wear uniform. Can you give some examples of these people who wear uniform? Exactly, nurses, doctor, policemen, firefighter. So all these people also wear uniform. Now let us understand clothes in different seasons. Now what are the three different types of seasons we have? Very good. We have summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Now let us take an example of each. First one is summer season. So summer season is a season when there is a lot of heat, and in this kind of season we wear generally these clothes which are made up of cotton. So as you can see in this picture, we wear frock, t-shirt, shirt, cap, shorts. So these are known as cotton clothes which we generally wear in summer season. Next is winter season. In this season we feel very cold, so we wear these kind of clothes. And these are mostly made up of woolen. As you can see, here is a jacket, gloves, muffler, socks, and cap. So these are generally made up of woolen. And the third is rainy season. So rainy season, we wear generally raincoat, gum boots, and also we carry umbrella with us. So these things protect us from rain in the rainy season. And I hope you all must have a raincoat with you, and you enjoy going out during rainy season with your umbrella. Now let us see three main things from which clothes are made up of. First one is cotton. Second is wool. And third is silk. So these are the three different types of things from which we get, or from which clothes are made up of. So can you tell me, from where do we get cotton, wool and silk? Let us see. First one is, we get cotton from cotton plants. Have you seen a cotton plant? If not, you can have a look at this picture. So here you can see a cotton plant, and these are cotton, which are of white color. So now remember, we get cotton from cotton plants. Next one. We get wool from sheep. So have you seen a sheep? We get wool from sheep. And the last one is silk. We get silk from silkworm. Here is a picture of silkworm. And this one, as you can see, this is a silk thread which we get from the cocoon of a silkworm. So I'm sure now you will remember that we get cotton from cotton plants, wool from sheep, and silk from silkworm. Now let us summarize what we have learned. First point is, clothes cover our body and protect us from heat, cold, and insect bites. Second point is, we look smart when we wear clean clothes. Third point is, we wear casual clothes at home, formal clothes in parties, and uniform in school. And also, nurses, doctors, policemen, and firefighters also wear uniforms. So kindly remember these examples. Apart from school uniform, these are the people who also wear uniform. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes which keep us cool. An example are shirt and frock. Next point is, in winter season, we wear woolen clothes which keep us warm. Example, sweater and jackets. Third point is, in rainy season, we wear raincoat which protect us from rain. Also, we carry umbrella. Last point that we have just learned, we get cotton from cotton plants, wool from sheep, and silk from silkworm. So I hope you will learn these points. Now, I will be uploading a worksheet dated 4th August. Kindly complete it in your notebook. We will meet next time with a new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay happy.